Good evening, dear students. Today we are going to Versailles Palace. You can see this is the Palace of Versailles, which built by Louis XVI, Louis XIV, and Louis XIII as well. When we talk about Louis XIII, as it is said, this was the place which wasn't built in a day. During the time of Louis XIV, it started taking shape and it was divided in small luggages, small rooms for more privacy and more conveniency. During the time of Louis XIV, we see this place got new buildings, new gallery des Clés. This was the place of their administrative policy framing. Apart from this, when we talk about Allée du Midi, it was Grand Electure and Grand Royal Place during the time of France. When we talk about Grand Common was the place of elite class in the France before the 1789. This was the Chamber du Roi during the time of 1701. It was to be the Grand Royal Court of Louis XVI. In 1710, we see Chapter Royal. This was the Royal Gallery of King Louis XV. King Louis XV changed the palace in Cabinet Row in small barricades for more privacy and more conveniency. When we talk about other dimensions of palace which were adapted, Opera de Royal in 1770, just before the French Revolution. Pavilion Gavry was a great palace during the time of 1789, which was the gateway for the revolutionaries. This was the place of 1789. Just after the revolution, what we see, royal family migrated from the Versailles Palace, and we see this place became a new transformation, new gallery visit for the people of the France. Apart from this, when we see this place, we see the Grand Trianon. Grand Trianon was a great place of government which got established after the French Revolution. This was the sitting area during the time of Louis XVI. This was the Pavillon de Flore. Pavillon de Flore was the royal place and the royal visitors gallery and that point of time. After we see in French Revolution 1832, Louis Philippe, who converted entire place as a gallery des Bâtiments. This is the one of the most crucial gallery for the visitors to know about the Versailles Palace. This is the second place, Salle de Congrès, of a visitor gallery during the time of French Revolution. When we talk about the green area of Versailles Palace, it continued to be shaped just after, even after the French. This is the courtyard of Versailles Palace, which look such a stunning even after the time of French Revolution. Visitors around the world got attracted with the Versailles Palace. They come from the around the nation for the visits of the great grand palace of